Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4, let's go to the left to 1 and 1. And now as you can see the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it works. Another tap to the right corner and let's move to 9 and 16 aspect ratio, and we can see now the longer one. When we pick the right corner button once again, we can also move to the full aspect ratio, so we can see the full camera frame. And of course when we pick this button once again, we can pick whatever we need. Now let me go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.